Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about Chinese government scholarship Beijing Normal University BNU. A very good opportunity for uh, all the user who got acceptance letter from this university and who try to apply for this university. And this university also have Beijing government scholarship and road and belt scholarship as well. So if you want to apply on Beijing government scholarships, then stay connected with us and watch the complete video, because students asking ask about Beijing government scholarship, how you apply for Beijing government scholarship. So this university offer Beijing government scholarship, and the stipend I think it's equal with the CSC scholarship. Like, okay, the third is Chinese government scholarship Beijing Normal University is the 30 name. Student category master and PhD student can apply fully funded scholarship, 3000 RMB for master student, 3500 RMB for PhD student. Online apply and send documents to the university. 15th of April is the last date. Eligibility criteria: all the students can apply for Chinese government scholarship and Beijing government scholarship, and but for road and belt scholarship, the students can apply whose country are in the list of Xi'an belt road countries list. So check the list. I will tell you how you check and no, how you apply for this scholarship. First, you fill the CSE online application form. Agency number is 10027, and second, you fill the online application form of Beijing Normal University, and you must pay the 600 RMB application fee. They don't mention that either you before you fill the application you pay the fee, or after you filling the application. So I will tell you how you pay the fee in this video. So resulting announced in the end of July. Mailing address: you can send your documents to this mailing address, and this is the online application form. How you fill the online application form, the link in the description. Click here to go to the online application portal of CSC scholarship, CSC China campus. Okay, and click here to apply on university portal. And which documents required for this scholarship? Okay, so for CSC online application form, agency number this you must, they never mention that on their website. They send two copies, so two sets of documents. So if they required some documents which have two copies required. So CSC application form, fill the CSC application form, print it and download it, and print out two copies of CSC application. Last page on the CSC application form. Okay, and sign in the last page of the application form. Okay, and BNU online application form, and copies of highest degree notarized, copies of highest education notarized copies, and personal statement. Click here for personal statement. This is the personal statement link here. So how you fill the personal statement, I will tell you how you make it. Okay, no, this is not the personal statement link. This is the personal statement. Study plan is not required for this. Personal statement is required. In personal statement you can include your academic background, research field, and what you have done before, research study plan, and what's your future career objective. Minimum of 1500 words. Please print in it on one page on both sides. You can print out on both side of the paper. You cannot change the format. Start from this place. Okay, now came to the point. Next point: a PhD student can also make your personal statement like this. Two recommendation letters, two passport passport size photocopies with white background, and not including the one on the form. On the form it's not included, which you pasted. Two additional photos you can attach, you must attach. And also name of applicant and the faculty or department applied for written on the back side. On the back side, a photo, you can type your faculty or department in which you applied, in which you want to apply. Two require copies of application: passport, home information page, first page, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate is applicable, acceptance letter is not mandatory, and other academic papers, patents, and other academic achievements like CV, resume. You can upload it if you want to apply. And for Pakistani students, they have special requirements. If they must verify their degree from degrees from Higher Education Commission Pakistan and other things. Okay, you can click here, check your requirements. BNU official advertisement, and this is the official advertisement of Beijing government scholarship. Okay, now came to the point. We click on Beijing International Chinese government scholarship. Click here and you can uh, so I click on Chinese government scholarship. This is the link of Chinese government scholarship. Okay, now okay, I open it on Google Chrome. So this is the require. Oh, sorry, the internet is not connected. So click here, and again I resubmit it, and you can must how you pay the fee. I will tell you in this video how you which documents and further documents which they required for this. Okay, these are the advertisement link. This is the, and they never don't mention, they not never mention on the website that you send 2 copies of documents. They mention that I will tell you one package. Okay, I click on package. This says that all application documents in item number 5 must be applicant students. Only one package is required for multiple scholarship. Means you can apply. You it's one set documents required, but they it's a little bit confusion about that. You can apply for all scholarship like Beijing government scholarship or Chinese government scholarship at a time. So they not confirm. The best way to find out this, you can mail to the university and ask from them, because no one can tell you, they not mention on their website. Okay, and also how you pay the fee, 600 RMB. Ask from them that from for contacting email on, this is the email on which you want to contact. If you want to contact with them, ask them that either you pay the application fee before applying, or before online application portal, or after online application portal here. So these are the requirements for Chinese government scholarship, and you can must check that this is the so 2 copies required for CSE scholarship. And now I will tell you about and give you the overview of Beijing government scholarship. Click on Beijing government scholarship here, and these are the, and the quota for bachelor students is 25 students selected for bachelor students, and master students selected for selected 13th, and for PhD 4 students can be selected. So must these things keep in mind. And this is the application form of Beijing government scholarship. How you fill this form? This is a very simple and simple form if you want to fill. And this form is also this is from Beijing government scholarship, and Beijing Normal University New International Scholarship, Beijing Normal University Forbidden City Scholarship, Beijing Normal University Silk Road Scholarship. I have no idea that you can apply at a time in all the 4 universities, so it's must confirm from a university. Okay, and these are the basic information: your background, your school name, and your personal institution name, present institution name, and these kind of things. These are very simple and easy form if you want to fill. Okay, and now came to the point, and click here, you can check your major programs for undergraduate and graduate. So you click here, and I will tell you how you apply for this. They click here and click on international students. They mention that they require documents for international students, all these documents, and you must log in at http. This is the link of the online application for online registration. Okay, and all these other documents which I tell you. And on the 11th portion, they says Beijing government scholarship and Beijing normal university scholarship also should submit application form for scholarship of international students. So this is the form which I show you for Beijing government scholarship. Means these are the documents, all documents same for same scholarship. But when you apply for CSE scholarship, you must attach the Beijing government scholarship. When you apply for CSE scholarship, then you attach the CSE application form with 2 copies of the CSE application form. And when you applying for Beijing government scholarship, you tag the Beijing government scholarship application form. So it's must thing you confirm from the university that either you can apply for at a time you for CSE or for Beijing government scholarship or another Xi'an Belt and Road scholarship. It's must confirm from the university. So these are the things. And now came to the I will give you the Forbidden City scholarship. How much they pay and how much you apply for this. You can see, you can check here. This stipend is equal to this is only for PhD students. Forbidden scholarship is only for PhD students. 3,500 RMB scholarship for PhD student per month. Okay, and you can apply, all the students can apply for this scholarship, and all the procedure is same. Okay, the form which I show you, Forbidden City Scholarship, and for the form like Beijing Government Scholarship and Beijing Normal University Forbidden City Scholarship is same. All the other documents is same. So and other one is Silk Road Mudau Scholarship. So you can apply for this. Undergraduate students can apply. Quota is undergraduate students. 12 undergraduate students will be selected, and 4 for master student, and 4 for PhD students. And the stipend is equal to the CSE scholarship. Okay, and all the things, all the you can apply here. Fast master complete at BNU online application and refer to this is the link which I open. That's how you apply for this. There is the link here. Okay, come here and read all the instruction which I tell you. Okay, and the deadline is same for all the scholarship. 15th of April 2020 is the deadline for all the applicants. So click here. If you click here, you can come here on online application portal. After clicking after when you click here where is the option? When you click here, you can go to the online application portal. After when you reach here, click on online application portal. I will give you the overview. I will not fill the form. I delete it. Okay, because they not have any option to upload or select Chinese government scholarship form here. Okay, click on online application form, and you can see in other universities online application portal there is option present for Chinese government scholarship, Chinese university scholarship. They are not only application scholarship application form. So you can click on, if you are a master student, then click on master student here, and select your major which you applied. If you are applying for Chinese government scholarship, sorry, if you are applying for English major or a Chinese taught major, click up according to fill your information regarding to this. Click on English taught master here, and find I will apply for any of the majors like English. Click on here. Okay, I can apply. Click on apply and fill the form. How you fill the form, the link in in the description, and I will give you the overview about documents, how you fill the documents and how you upload your documents. Click here for view overview. You can see only just passport photocopy and visa page. Visa page is the third one page of your passport, and blank page. Okay, previous highest diploma, transcript and recommendation letters. Okay, these are the documents you upload, and there is no option here for uploading Chinese government scholarship and other Beijing government scholarship. It means that you fill the CSE application form and attach, and also attach this online application form, and for and also attach the Chinese government scholarship application form. So these are the things which I tell you. I hope you like this video, and this is a very good opportunity for you, but must ask from university that how you pay the fee, because there is no option for paying the application fee. How you they says that you pay the online application fee. Maybe after your admission, after your initial review has been passed, they ask you please pay the fee. Option is here, application fee to be paid. So when you require to pay the fee, you need to pay the fee. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you have any question about scholarship, then come here on our website cscguideofficial.com, and visit it and get it everything which you want to explore it. Okay, so we met you in the next video with the next video with the next university. Okay, good luck and take care of you.